Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage chic country cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage chic country cottage decor is a warm, romantic decorating style that blends old world vintage charm with soft country comfort. Nothing flashy, everything soulful and lived in. Think of it as a home that feels like it has stories, memories, and gentle elegance in every corner. How defines vintage chic country cottage decor? Soft charm on beauty. Furniture looks gentle-edged. Painted wood, distressed finishes, antique dressers, farmhouse tables, or old cupboards that will pass down through generations. Calm and light color palette, creamy white, soft beige, warm ivory, pale gray, blush, shades green, and muted blues create a beautiful airy cottage feel. Vintage elegance and country coziness, delicate details like curved legs, floral carvings, lace trims, and awning frames mixed with simple farmhouse shapes. Floral and natural patterns, small floral, faded roses, tall prints, and subtle stripes on curtains, cushions, wallpapers, or bedding. Use natural materials everywhere, like wood, linen, cotton, rattan, ceramic, stone, iron, or material that feel honest and natural, never plastic or shiny. Charming decorative accents use old books, enamel pictures, ceramic vases, teacups, candlesticks, clocks, oven baskets, and handmade items. Cozy, collected, not perfect. The beauty comes from layering and imperfection. Slight wear, mismatched pieces, and personal touches are welcome. The feeling it creates is warm and welcoming, romantic but not fancy, peaceful and nostalgic, cottage-like, as if time slows down. The soul of vintage chic country cottage decor. At its heart, this style is about gentle nostalgia plus everyday comfort. Nothing is loud, nothing feels rushed. Every piece seems chosen with care or found with love. It is the kind of home where morning light feels softer, tea tastes better in tipped cups. Silence feels comforting, not empty. Color language more than just colors. Vintage chic country cottage colors are vast, faded, and emotional, like sun-blazed memories. Base tones use antique white, cream, warm linen, and soft stone. Accent shades, dusty rose, faded lavender, shades green, or powder blue. Tipped colors, mushroom brown, muted charcoal, vivid oud tones. Avoid high contrast. Everything should feel like it belongs together naturally. Next, furniture philosophy. Furniture is not new, it is meaningful. Use carved legs, turned wood, spindle back, painted pieces with light distressing, mix of cottage, French country, and farmhouse forms. A blend of elegant lines plus sturdy practicality. Nothing matches perfectly, and that is the magic. Textiles and layers, very important. This style shines through layering. Linen curtains that move with the air, crochet or lace trims, patchwork coils and floral cushions, use ruffled pillowcases and soft throws. Fabric should look touched, washed, and loved, never stiff. Decorative styling. Decor items should feel like collected memories, not store displays. Use vintage books and handwritten notes, old frames, even empty ones. Also use enamel jugs, ceramic bowls, or teapots, candles, lanterns, or giant flowers. Handmade or DIY pieces. Every object should whisper a story. Nature is part of the decor. Nature softens everything. Use fresh wildflowers or garden roses. Use dried lavender, eucalyptus, or wheat. Wooden bowls with fruit, clay pots, baskets, or stoneware. This style never feels disconnected from the outdoors. Lighting mode. Lighting is soft, warm, and intimate. Use fabric lampshades, vintage style table lamps, candle instead of harsh lights, warm bulbs only, no bright white light. Think evening glow, not showroom brightness. How it is different from similar styles. Farmhouse, more structured, less romantic. Country Cottage, cozy but simpler. Vintage Country Cottage, softer, more layered, more poetic. It is the most feminine, nostalgic, and emotionally rich of the three. Why people fall in love with this style? It reduces visual stress, feels safe and comforting, encourages solo living, makes everyday life feel special. The lifestyle behind the style. Vintage Country Cottage Decor is not trend driven. It is rooted in solo living, simplicity, and emotional comfort. It is a home that values use over perfection, celebrates quiet routines, feels warm even on ordinary days. Nothing shouts, everything invites. Imperfection is the luxury. Unlike modern interiors, this style welcomes flaws, hairline cracks in ceramics, faded fabrics east, slightly uneven paint, worn old corners. These imperfections make the space feel human and soulful, not staged. Wall treatments and surfaces. Walls are soft, never sharp. Use chalk paint, lime wash, or matte finishes. Also, soften floral or tiled wallpaper. Use whitewashed brick or textured plasters. Surfaces should reflect light gently, not shine. Storage that feels like decor, even practical items look charming. Open shelves instead of closed cabinets. Wicker and wire baskets. Glass jars with wooden lids. Crocks and enamel containers. Storage becomes part of the visual story. Mixing eras gracefully. One of the most beautiful parts of this style, Victorian elegance, Edwardian softness, early farmhouse simplicity. You can mix decades as long as the mood stays soft and time-worn. Seasonal expression, very important. Vintage Country Cottage decor changes gently with seasons. Spring, use florals, pastel linens, or fresh flowers. For summer, use airy cotton, light oak open windows. For autumn, use warm neutrals, dried botanicals candles. For winter, quilts, soft rose, warm lamps, muted tones. No dramatic overhauls, just subtle shifts. Emotional zones in the home. This style often creates small emotional corners, a reading nook by the window, a teacup shelf in the kitchen, a candle corner on the side table, a flower station with chairs and scissors. These moments make the home feel alive. Handmade and DIY spirit. Handmade items fit perfectly. Crochet, embroidery, lace. Hand-painted furniture, DIY distress frames, clay or ceramic pieces. Your creativity becomes part of the decor. How this style is not minimalist, not glossy or modern, not bold or dramatic, not fast taker or trendy. It is about gentle beauty, memory, and calm. Why it is so powerful emotionally. People feel relaxed here because soft colors calm the mind. Natural materials ground the senses. Familiar shapes create safety, warm light, solace time. It feels like home, even to guests. The quiet elegance rule. This style follows an unspoken rule. Nothing should demand attention. Everything should invite it. No harsh contrast. No oversized statement pieces. Beauty reveals itself slowly. The longer you stay. It is decor that rewards calm observation. Flow and soft movement. Vintage country cottage homes will float, not rigged. Curtains that sway with the breeze. Tablecloths that drop naturally. Lampshades that soften light. Open doorways and visual continuity. Hard lines are substantive required. Furniture placement philosophy. Furniture is arranged for conversation and comfort, not symmetry. Chairs slightly angled. Tables close enough for candles and tea. Space for walking slowly, not rushing. Rooms will live in, not staged. Scents as part of decor often overlooked. Scents completes the experience. Lavender, rose, vanilla, or linen. Beeswax candles, dried herbs in kitchens, fresh flowers in simple jars. This style is multisensory, not just visual. Art and wall decor choices. Artwork is gentle and nostalgia. Botanical sketches, faded landscapes, old photographs, handwritten recipes or letters. Frames are often chipped, painted, or mismatched. Time-slowing details. Small choices that change the pace of life. Analog clocks in a state of digital. Ceramic teapots in a state of electric kettles on display. Linen napkins in a state of paper. Open shelves that encourages mindful chatting. The home quietly encourages slow living. Textile balance formula. Every room should include something soft, linen, cotton, or lace, something hard, wood, iron, or ceramic, something natural, flowers, branches, or baskets. This balance keeps room warm, not heavy. Color egging technique. Even new items should look old. Wash fabric before using. Choose matte finishes. Avoid bright whites. Prefer creamy tones. Slight distressing is welcome. Time is simulated gently. Why this style feels like home instantly? Physiologically, soft edged equals safety. Repetition of gentle shapes equal calm. Familiar materials equal comfort. Warm light equal relaxation. This is why people instantly feel at ease. A style that grows with you. Vintage Country Decor ages beautifully, accepts change, welcomes handmade additions, becomes more personal over time. It is never finished, and that is the charm. The soft story principles. Every space should tell a gentle story, never a bold statement. Objects feel inherited, not bought together. Nothing looks brand new or trendy. Each corner suggests a memory or routine. A home becomes a quiet narrative, not a display. Balance between elegance and humility. This style lives between two worlds: chic, graceful curves, antique details, or delicate florals; country, practicality, simplicity, or warmth. Too much elegance feels formal, too much country feels plain. The magic is in the middle. The role of hand touch. You should sense the human hand everywhere. Brush strokes in painted furniture, visible stitching in textiles, slightly uneven pottery, handmade or DIY decor pieces. This creates emotional warmth modern interiors often lack. Windows, light and air. Windows are treated softly, sheer curtains layered with light cotton or lace, no heavy blinds or sharp frames. Natural light diffused, never blocked. Air movement is part of the beauty. Quiet luxury without cost. Luxury here means comfort over expense, patina over polish, feeling over fashion. A cheap teacup can feel richer than a gold-trimmed one. Everyday objects on display. Daily life becomes decor, stacked plates, linen napkins in baskets, wooden spoon in jars, teapots and cups on open shelves. Beauty lives in use. Emotional anchors in each room. Each room has a purposeful emotion: kitchen, warmth and nourishment; living room, connection and trust; bedroom, softness and safety; corners, reflection and calm. Decor choices supports this feeling. Timeless over trendy. This style resists fast decor, no bold seasonal themes, no trendy colors or materials, no disposable styling. It evolves slowly, year by year. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.